Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Stock market is red today, so there's a few things that are notable to call out, and I just wanted to point them out for you guys before the earnings. We have some big earnings today, which is Netflix, and that's the famous one. But we do have Meta that did cross over yesterday or the day before. On the 4-hour chart, it is over the 200-day moving average right in here. Okay. But in the pre-market is down $1.57. That's 1.1%. If we look at the after hours, it is still falling down. Okay, you can see the trend is going down. So if you're bullish on Meta, be careful today. Watch for the swing if you're bullish on it. If not, I would wait. Okay, so we have Netflix. They're going to have earnings today. Interesting enough, just like the rest of the market, it is down $4.34, 1.33%. So yesterday we pointed out we had support right in this area. Okay, and I'm moving this out a little bit so you can see when I turn on my extended hours, which shows me the pre-market, you can see that Meta right in here. If I turn on my Heikin-Ashi, you can see it's challenging that support area. So look for it to break that resistance, and depending on what happens, okay, typically, let me draw this out for you. Typically Netflix will do this right on the day of earnings. Okay, it's potentially could bounce and make a run, and then it has had the history of dumping except for one time. Okay, so I've played Netflix last year 2 out of 3 times I won. Okay, one time it actually went up, but I think they're going to have good earnings, but I think people are going to dump them. They're not happy with Netflix, and they're not very popular these days. So be careful with Netflix. Just keep an eye on the swing if you're bullish on it. But for now, it's down 1.3%. All right, last but not least, we have SPY here. Just a quick look. So SPY did start on a downtrend. We did have some negative divergence going on with SPY. RSI had been going down. SPY was going up. Let's take a look at that. So you can see in the previous days, we had a little run up here, but on the RSI, you can see that it was running out of steam. So that's what we call negative divergence. So we knew this was going to drop. Now in the after hours, it's still dropping. Okay. So right now, SPY is down to 388.35 cents. So it's down $3, almost 1%. So look for SPY to continue to fall today. Okay, last time this happened, okay, SPY and SPX continued to fall for about a day, maybe a day and a half. So be careful if you're bullish on it. I don't think this is going to swing. We have lots of things that happened. And if we go over to the sign lines with SPX, I told you guys in last week's video that we could do 2 things. We could fill this box here, which we did, or we could fill the bottom box. Now what I'm looking at with SPX, and I think it's going to happen, you see this trend we had here. I'm looking for SPX to break this line, and if it breaks this line, oh mama, it's going to go down. And the only thing left that can hold it, okay, is going to be right in this area, which is about the 3,700. After that, we should see market correction going on. So keep an eye out on your stocks today. I don't believe we're going to have a bullish day. I think the stocks will continue to fall. So be very careful with your entry points today. And until the next video, wishing you guys a very green day.